Hey everyone, my name is Tyler Hutek and I'm a software engineer here at Thermotron. Today we're taking a look at Thermotron's innovative 8800 controller and some of the ways it can help you maximize your testing performance. Let's get started. The 8800 is Thermotron's robust and user-friendly flagship controller. Data is easily accessible with the 8800's paperless chart recording, viewable directly on the graph screen or available to export. The 8800 also features live system monitoring on the control module screen and intuitive, flexible program creation directly on the controller. A demo of the 8800 controller is available for download on thermotron.com. That's all we have for today. Just a reminder to check out your 8800 controller manual for more information about everything your controller has to offer. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at thermotron.com or by calling your local Thermotron sales rep. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.